CYGOLITE 600 Pro Bicycle Light Models. The CYGOLITE 600 Pro Bicycle Light Models are an exceptional choice for cyclists in need of a reliable and powerful lighting solution. With a sleek design and a host of impressive features, this product offers a remarkable experience for riders of all levels. One of the key advantages of the CYGOLITE 600 Pro Bicycle Light Models is its powerful illumination capacity. With a maximum brightness of 600 lumens, this light ensures excellent visibility, enhancing safety, and allowing riders to confidently navigate in low-light conditions. Whether you're riding on busy city streets or exploring dark, uneven trails, this bicycle light provides a clear and bright view of the surroundings. The build quality of the CYGOLITE 600 Pro Bicycle Light Models is worth commending. Made with durable plastic material, it offers a lightweight and robust design that is suitable for various cycling environments. The light weighs just 0.31 pound,